we may not be seeing any precipitation fall currently here in central Illinois, but we are seeing some on its way. As we look over at Oklahoma and Arkansas, we're seeing some rain begin to make its way east. Although when that rain falls here in Charleston, it won't be rain, it'll be snow. Now that'll be tomorrow, but first today we saw colder temperatures, highs only reaching the low 40s across the area with a high of 43 degrees here in Charleston, although we did reach a high of 45 degrees over in Terre Haute. As we look at our current conditions, these temperatures are beginning to drop down into the 30s as we move into the evening hours, with temperatures around 31 degrees currently here in Charleston, still staying around 33 degrees over in Terre Haute, but we're seeing those clouds begin to thin as we move into the evening hours, and they'll continue as we move overnight tonight. We'll be seeing partly cloudy skies as we move throughout the night tonight, and along with that, we'll be seeing a low of 28 degrees. So those temperatures will continue to drop down into the 20s as we move into the overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. We'll also be seeing winds blow out of the west at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Those winds won't be concerning overnight, but those winds will pick up as we move throughout the day tomorrow. Now, like I said, we're going to be seeing those clouds begin to thin as we move overnight tonight, eventually leading to clear skies tomorrow morning, and eventually some snow beginning to fall in the western portions of our viewing area. That snow will affect the western portions first, and then eventually make its way across our viewing area. Now, this chance of snow will affect everyone. That chance of snow will be throughout the entire day, but it isn't any heavy snowfall, just a slight chance throughout the entire day. Along with that snowfall, we're also going to be seeing a low or a high of 34 degrees tomorrow, so those temperatures will continue to drop down as we move into the day. Now, like I said, we're going to be seeing those winds begin to build as we move throughout the day tomorrow. Starting our morning off, we'll be seeing winds blow out of the west at 5 to 10 miles per hour, but by the late afternoon and early evening, they'll be blowing out of the west at 15 to 20 miles per hour. Now, like I said, we're going to be seeing that snow begin in the western portion of our viewing area and eventually make its way east, and that snow will affect the entirety of our viewing area, but the highest chance of snowfall will affect our northern portions, such as Champaign and Vermilion counties. That snow will move out of our area, eventually leaving us with mostly clear skies for tomorrow evening, and those clear skies will stay with us along with some stronger wind gusts tomorrow evening. Like I said, those winds will be blowing out of the west at 15 to 20 miles per hour, but maybe gusting up to 25 to 30 miles per hour as we move into the evening hours tomorrow. Looking at the next 3 days, those temperatures will continue to drop down with a high of 30 degrees on Thursday. But after Thursday, we'll see another warm-up start as we finish off this work week with a high of 42 degrees on Friday. That warm-up will only continue as we start our weekend with a high of 48 degrees on Saturday with a chance of rain on Saturday instead of snow. Now, we're going to see those temperatures, with that warm-up, we're going to see our temperatures be above average for the next 6 to 10 days. That average for this time of year is typically in the low 40s like we saw today, although we are going to see temperatures above that looking forward. But first, we're going to be seeing temperatures in the 30s for the next couple days. Now, as we finish off our work week, we will see temperatures reaching the 40s and eventually the upper 40s by the time we start our weekend with a chance of rain on Saturday. And eventually, that warm-up will get into the 50s with another chance of rain on Monday, getting up to 53 degrees on Tuesday.